Hey guys, Tony here, and in the next 10 video clips, I'm going to share 10 seconds of every MrBeast intro from his latest 10 videos. Let's check it out and let's see what we can learn from MrBeast's intro to improve the quality of our videos right now. Let's take a look.
In this video, we are going to be eating $100,000 golden ice cream.
I'm blown away. This is so good.
$5,000 mac and cheese.
This mac and cheese is magnificent.
$30,000 banana Foster.
Ooh, that's incredible.
I literally bought every single item in 5 stores.
Starting with this one. All right, boys, fill up the carts. I want everything in the store. Do these zebra pants count as everything?
If it's in the store, we're buying it.
I bought over 1 million Christmas lights. And not only did I buy all these Christmas lights, but I also bought these 3 houses. Sean, you decorate this house. Cassidy, this is your house. And this is Sarah's house.
I opened up the world's first free restaurant. And if that wasn't enough, I also paid people to eat at my restaurant.
We haven't even opened yet, and the police just told us they had to shut down a mile of traffic, and there's 1,000 cars in line.
Put it on up. This is $1 million in cash. Now I'm gonna give random people 1 minute to try to spend all this money.
Carl, start the timer. You guys have 60 seconds. Whatever you put in this cart, I will pay for up to $1 million. Starting now. Go. This is a giant $100,000 diamond, and protecting it is the most advanced security system in the world. And these guys are each gonna be trying to steal the diamond. Turn on the lasers. This one is hard.
No.
Yeah.
If you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random punishment, which probably makes you wonder, why would you press it? Well, one random press won't be a punishment and will actually be $100,000. I am going to spend the next 24 hours in this house made 100% of ice.
It's gonna be cold because it's ice.
Ice, ice. Even the toilet is made of ice. Oh my goodness, this seat is so... I am going to Uber people, but at the end of the ride, let them keep the car. We literally have a Lamborghini, and I'm going to give it away. You want to watch this video. I'm about to turn on Uber, and whoever we pick up first is literally getting a free car. For the entire year of 2021, every time someone subscribes to this channel, I'm donating 10 cents to charity. And last month, 3 million people subscribed to the channel, which means I'm gonna give away this $300,000 mountain of money to people in need.
Wow. All right, guys, what do you think? Can you improve the hook? Like, those were amazing hooks. Now, is he talking to your audience? Not a chance. But it doesn't matter. The hook is a universal property. It will apply to every audience. You just have to find the hook that resonates with yours. And I promise you, the hook in the first 10 seconds of your video is not going to be effective if it's a trailer, a bumper, music, letters, somebody stumbling through their words. It's just not. People don't want to see that. Look at the power of the first 10 seconds of his videos, and then you can start to understand how he has crafted his success on this platform. So let's work on our hooks. That's the goal for this week. I'll catch you guys in next week's goal. I'll see you soon.